My name is Angelique Alexander, and I'm from New York
Why is it that we have the same last name?
because we're actually long lost twins that were separated at birth.
Yes, and it's good to be back together,
It's
right?
good to be back together, reunited.
Is math the only thing that you do, or are there other things that you like?
So, actually, I was teaching music. I'm an opera singer, and I was teaching music lessons, and I was going to school for something. I didn't know if I wanted to do it, but I really loved teaching, and the only thing I wanted to teach was math.
Do you like math or music better?
I like performing, and I like teaching because they're the same.
Nice. What's the highest note you can hit?
On a good day, a high C.
A high C? Can you prove it?
No, not right now.
Okay,
I'm not
that's fine.
warm.
Do you know any dances?
I do know dances.
Is there anything you could demonstrate, like from the chair?
Um, I mean,
What do you think is the biggest math mistake that you see the most?
I would say not distributing the negative in front of a group of like a polynomial group and not multiplying everything through with the negative one in front.
Yeah, that's a big one, huh? Nice. And what do you like about teaching?
I love connecting to my students and I love supporting them, watching them grow, and really I love seeing my students flourish in their confidence levels. That's what that gets me really excited.
How can we see you sing in
Uh,
person?
you can follow my Facebook at Angelique Mezzo, and you could contact me through this and get on my mailing list.
Sounds fair. Anything you'd like to tell the audience that we don't know about you?
Don't really. Oh, my two favorite singers. My two favorite singers
Nice.
are in classical, Marilyn Horne, and for jazz, Ella Fitzgerald. And I come from a long line of musicians. So my grandfather was a jazz musician, and my dad is a blues musician, and my great grandmother was a classical pianist. And yeah, so music runs deep. Math doesn't.
Beatles or Rolling Stones?
Beatles.
Okay. Thanks, Angelique.